This is my house right now. His name is. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is our morning routine. Okay, you'll be spending the morning with us. This is what my living space looks right now. So unkempt, so tattered. We woke up earlier this morning to go fetch water because the water in the estate was not coming up in our flat. So we fetched water earlier this morning, and right here I'm trying to wash and arrange our space. Hubby is also helping me out to tidy up the living space. Baby girl is still sleeping. I hope you enjoyed this video with us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So loves, let's get the cleaning started.
Found myself obsessed with making you love me. Got so obsessed I forgot to love myself. So distracted I forgot I love myself. Can't I retract it? The love I gave to you.
This is my house right now. His name is. Trying to clean. Oh gosh.
Myself. Deeper this year 2023, I tried these tears for myself, don't need you to wipe them away. If I know anything is that I'ma be out.
So loves, I'm done arranging the sitting room. Baby girl and papa is there chilling and watching movie or cartoon. Coco Melon, yes, she's watching Coco Melon. So it's time for me to tackle these plates. Yeah, I'm going to wash this plate now. So keep on enjoying the rest of the video.
Found myself obsessed with making you love me. Got so obsessed I forgot to love myself. So distracted I forgot I love myself. Can't I retract it? The love I gave to you. No es amor, es una obsesión. No es amor, es una obsesión. Es una obsesión. It isn't love, it's an obsession. It isn't love, it's an obsession. Wearing a crown, reina de mi mundo, con el corazón de oro. Don't know if you can manage, can't take my passions and my certified desire. You request, okay, don't make advances attracted. I'm something more like a magnet caught when you told me. Exuding the story, yes, I want you to do me.
So loves, right here I want to clean the cooker. I'm using this cooker cleaner to clean the cooker. This is really amazing for your stew, like your cooker, your sink. It will really bring out the shine in your stew. Yeah, stew, is this stew they call it, like this cooker stuff, and this your sink, you understand? So I'm just going to use it to wash everywhere. And
extremo y violento. Mi falta de conexión. Busco remedio, algo espiritual. Hechizo, pociones, algo natural. Estoy tocando base, tratando de hacer la paz. Life spinning out of control. Feels like I'm stuck in slow mo. De repente me vuela la mente. Lazo que trascenderá mi camino iluminar. Tell me with things on my turn out alright. Yo te voy a dar algo que te va a elevar. Suelta rápido ya. Siente la corriente en el presente. Y al instante pierde el volante.
So guys, right now I'm washing the toilet. So this washing this toilet got me made me remember a story. Okay, so when I met my husband, okay, the first day, or should I say the first weekend, I did a sleepover in his house. So when I woke up on morning, I'm trying to do my morning duties, I decided to wash the toilet. So when he saw me washing the toilet, he now had to call his friend to come and see me washing toilet, like as if they were amused that a girl was washing toilet. Maybe his previous girlfriends don't do like clean up the house and the rest. So my tip to any lady that is trying to secure a man, try and be yourself. Okay, me, I was only being myself that day, and he was so amazed by, or let's say amazed or amused by what I was doing. Anyway, let me keep on doing my money duties and keep on watching, guys.
Can't keep that thing. Me, yeah. Be good. As a mother, your toddler can be very, very saucy. Okay. Alright, so let me wash. I'm in my own toilet. Let me wash the toilet. Oh my god, this morning routine is killing me. When there's no water, it's always annoying. So guys, I had to fetch water earlier in the morning from downstairs because water is not running upstairs in the flat, so I have to go downstairs. I can fetch water. That was an exercise though, just tired. Anyway, remove. Welcome to our morning routine. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So love. Let's keep on cleaning. Yeah, so this is me, yo. This is me, guys. This is me.
Angie, baby.
Sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know I'll be fine. Hey, got me running around in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss
Space don't finish. Now wow. If you just delete the next space, can't create space to finish up and down.
All I'm saying is I'm with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is I'm with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
I'm tired. I've done morning exercise this morning.
I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid,
I'm afraid to fall. So who knows where we're gonna land? I know you're scared, babe, I understand, but I got you just in my hand. Hey, and this happens every time, but with you I know I'll be fine. You're the sun in my darkest night. Hey,
Done. What is it, Muna? There's water inside your bath. Yes, there's water inside your bath. Sorry. So guys, I'm done cleaning the house. I want to bath small madam now and then brush her teeth and give her food. This is I started this thing since 6 o'clock. Oh. This is 9:14. Today is, sorry, it's backward. This is 9:14 and today is June. I said June. July. I said July. January 9. Jessica. You want to fly? The month don't start. You want fly? Go. Where they fly? They go. Anyway, so I am done cleaning the house. The whole house looks clean and sparkle. Let me give her food and bath her, and that should be the end of the vlog. Yeah, so this is my morning routine as a stay-at-home mom living in Abuja, Nigeria. My 6 a.m. morning routine, because I started this morning routine in the morning when I went to go and fetch water. I hope you helped me to fetch water in the morning around 6, because I don't know what's wrong with water board. The pressure of the water is not coming upstairs or whatever. I don't know, sure, but pressure was downstairs, but pressure is not coming upstairs. And you guys saw the dirty dishes I had last night. I cooked food and I could not wash the plate because I was expecting water to come upstairs in the middle of the night. Maybe water will come upstairs in the middle of the night and I'll wash the plate, but water did not come upstairs in the middle of the night. So I had to wake up as early as 6 o'clock to do the other, to fetch water and clean the house. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you watched this extent, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I'll see you all in my next routine. Yeah, so bye guys.